Today's Tuesday. It's first thing in the morning. You saw what we woke up to here. Spring showers, I guess. It's not too bad. Where I'm at, we get snow in the spring, on and off. It melts, then it snows. It melts, then it snows. So yeah, this week I'm already a little bit behind because I didn't quite finish everything I needed last week. So I'm having my cup of coffee real quick. Played a little bit of Magic the Gathering Arena this morning just to wake up a little bit. Get my brain going. Anyway, let's get on with the orders. I'll make a little list real quick, and then we'll get building stuff. So I'm actually going to run to Walmart real quick instead of get started on this because I'm out of gloves, and I really like to use gloves with some of the stuff I'm going to be doing today, so. Okay, so while I'm eating, I guess, I've also ordered this Elegoo Mars 3D printer, and this is the new 3D printer. Oh my gosh, my Wi-Fi sucks. I'm cheap, so I get the cheapest Wi-Fi. I can't help it. I actually got a little bit of a discount on it. There was a special offer on eBay. I'm excited. It's my first 3D printer. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. We'll find out. I really want to learn Blender and all that. I have Blender on my computer, and I also have access to a cheaper version of ZBrush. So if you guys have like some basic tutorials for me, or if you want to help me out, that'd be great. So my idea is to design like some basic things. I don't know, doors and whatnot. Just basic doors, and then modify those with green stuff, and then hand cast those. I've been really enjoying working with resin lately. I don't have a pressure pot yet, but the resin I'm using doesn't get very many bubbles in it, so it doesn't matter too much. So I'm excited to see where I'm going to get with this 3D printing. Aside from just printing off a bunch of miniatures that I want. Of course I want that. If I remember, I'll try to do like a video about setting this up. I'm a noob when it comes to printers, so, well, 3D printers, I'm a noob when it comes to that. But I think if I can figure out that laser back there, I should be able to figure out a 3D printer. Supposedly, this is better than the Mars 2. And my brother actually has a Mars 2 printer, and he's really enjoyed it. So I bought it on eBay, but it's directly from Elegoo as well. And on the Elegoo website, it was like $60 more than getting on eBay. And even on Amazon, it was a little bit more. So I decided to go with eBay. Plus, I could use my PayPal line of credit and pay it off in 6 months without any interest. So, and that's usually how I do things, just so it doesn't seem like such a big thing. And where I just pay taxes, that's preferable. So yeah, I had an appointment this morning. I did get a little bit of work done earlier in the day, maybe like only a half hour. It was enough to put some grass on some terrain that I need to dry before I go to the post office today. When I get back home, I'll just get back into working real quick. So the postage for the stuff I need to ship by the end of the day, well, by 4:30, is already printed and ready to go. So I gotta finish those things up real quick. I think I just have painting left to do and then spray it. So I don't know, I got a few hours, so I think I'll be able to get it done. We'll see. Good morning, everyone. I don't have a whole lot to get to the post office today, just two things. They're not quite done, so we're going to get busy doing that. I got to paint them and add some grass and cover them in glue. And the plan is, while that stuff is drying, I'm going to be finishing making everything else that I need for the week. And then hopefully I can get some commissions done this week. So yeah, let's get busy with that. Okay, so I got everything to the post office that I needed to get to the post office. I was planning on playing games with my brothers tonight, but seems like we're going to be doing that next Thursday instead. So it is what it is. I'm going to just kind of like relaxedly work the rest of the night, I guess. Probably try to get ahead more, like I said. I think I'm going to be getting everything out on time this week. I got a whole work day tomorrow to do and then get everything shipped out Saturday morning. So stay tuned for what's to come. I'm going to have more videos like this and more tutorial videos eventually as well. This is just to keep you guys up to date. For anybody who's interested in my work process behind the scenes, this is to show you guys. So if you've enjoyed this video and you're new here, feel free to check out the rest of my videos. A lot of them are tutorial videos. Give me a like if you like this video. Thanks for everybody who returned. I'll see you guys next week, hopefully. If not next week, then the week after. I'll make sure I'll at least do an update video every couple weeks.